Hello everyone, this is Super Anime Gaming again. We're going to watch some Food Wars. It's going to be third plate Food Wars, third plate Totsuki train arc. It's going to be episode 2. No, 3 I think. 3. I just watched the second episode. I hope you guys are going to be with me here. Yeah, I have my water bottle here, or should I put it a little further away? Like that. Doesn't bother you. We don't actually. I like that they didn't fail anyone of the rebels. So let's hope everything goes as planned. And I hope that that little brother is not going to turn out to be a traitor. It looked to me that he was going to betray them. I really hope he doesn't do that. Let's continue watch here. Hmm. Oh, they're going to interfere the former seats. I feel like those that got banished are the ones that didn't follow Asumi. So the first seat did have something against them. I love that. They at least have one powerhouse that can side with the rebels. And we have the 7th and 8th seat. And we got the 10th seat. So we are a little understaffed. We got 4 of 10. We need to push 2 of the other ones down. No, need to bring all of the Elite 10 down. And then ruin him. That's how we're going to win this. So let's see how everything turns out. I really hope everything going as I want it to. And I like that Momo in that scene, she's afraid of planes. Oh, I love that. She's at least afraid of something. That's great. And I love that he just said, "Don't be a damn child." That was great. Yay, we got more members now.
列車は札幌駅に着いたのに札幌の街は見事にスルーか。
遠藤だ。この試験は個人戦となる。さらに今回は食材ではなく麺料理。
麺
料理。北海道といえばラーメン文化が育まれてきたんだね。今日はそんな麺料理にチャレンジしよう。どれを作ってもいいってわけか。
選択肢が多いと逆に。
だから足りない食材は各自で調達してきてもらう。俺をうならせる麺料理を1食分提供することがクリア条件。
ええ。
では次の3人は B 会場へ。次 C 会場へ。B 会場へ。吉野祐希、水戸郁美、佐藤昌司、青木大吾。C 会場へ。残りの3名 D 会場へ。
ってことか、麺の材料になるものもほとんど残ってないよ。
こうきましたか。食材すらよこさねえとはな。だが特にも
ないんだよ。君たちが後回しになった理由はね。
殺人事件が起こる状況だな。
Yeah. Actually, can they be charged by murder by that? By not getting any ingredients at all. If they go out because they are forced to go out if they want to pass the exam, and if they actually get injured, the school needs to be responsible. They haven't signed any contracts and say injuries to secure something. The school needs to be responsible. Sure, if they were crushed under normal circumstances, I would probably not be that this do anything, but now this is just bad. Ugh. Let's get see how everything turns out. I'm just disappointed it is now.
みんなクリアした。残った連中を振り落とせば俺の仕事は終わりだね。遠藤講師、反逆者たちがなぜかとにかく今すぐ使いすぎるなよ。なんでこいつら普通に調理始めちゃってるの？麺はもうないんだぞ。この吹雪の中調達してきた。いやまさ。
Help! Oh, I love that whipping sound. But bam, bam, bam.
まるで麺がユンダさん。今度は何なの？いえ、その C 会場が家庭料理。
北海分は実に 95% までがじゃがいもでんぷん。
そう、豪雪うどんさ。まず男爵芋を蒸して皮を麺には使わない材料だが豪雪うどんとなれば話は他の生徒は吹雪になる前に高級食材を調達して美食たりうる一品を作り上げたんだからね。作りの他にも仕事はまだあるぞ。決して遅れるなよ。ああ、分かってない。
They can.
じんわり溶け出してるってわけっす。粗めにすりおろしたからじゃがいもの小さな塊がわずかに混じって食感のアクセントになるしね。
Everything is made by potatoes.
なんてこと。こっちも合格だよ。
Oh.
こんな生徒たちすぐに振り落とせる雑魚の集まりだったのにエリーナ様のごじ
豪雪うどんを軸にどのようにじゃがいもを生かすかを考えたのは彼らです。
Yeah, they are. Yeah, you lost.
札幌観光していいってことになって。ああ、出発は夜だから結構時間あるしな。ねえ、なんか美味しいもの食べようよ。
ラーメン。
味わうことこそ一番の勉強なのですからね。
はーい、エリナ先生。なんだこの何を食べるか慎重に見極めなきゃ。
エンジンついて。
Oh, I love that. Erina is a chained arc. Trying to get back Totsuki under Central's rule. Oh, that was the greatest line I've heard. I have not seen this. I have not seen this. I'm in shock when I saw that scene. And I love that they could create so much from potatoes. I didn't know that. Now I want to try some potato udons and stuff like that. Oh, I'm so in shock. It's fun actually in its own right to watch this. I'm just happy to watch it. Now I want to see a professional chef do this. All of it. I want to see a professional chef prepare everything. But I don't think I would be so demanding for him to do it in his own kitchen if he doesn't have the bowls, the equipment to make it efficient. Because they were at least allowed to have a kitchen that is for professional use to pass the exam. So I would at least say record himself when he's doing it in a professional setting at least. Yeah, you have the...
札幌には何度も来てるのにこんなにゆっくり景色を見るのは初めてだわ。そうなの？エリ家の後継者としての責務を果たすので精一杯で。そんなことないですよ。エリナ様はあのつもりですから。 水戸さん。ああ、いえ、ナキリ家と私の家じゃ格が違いますし、私なんかがエリナ様と自分を重ねるなんておこがましいって分かって。だから私エリナ様のこと
あ
本当に尊敬してるっつうか、よかったさんも玄米茶ありがとう。そんなお礼なんていいよ。私にできることがあったら何でも言ってね。また読みたい漫画とかあったら貸すからで嬉しいんだ。相馬くん、匠くんどうしたの？
いや、すげえいい感じの店見つけたんだけど。
They are dragging her.
本当。
Yeah, you.
綺麗な街だったの。
Hey, like a beautiful city.
久子、どうしたの？そんなに焦って。いえ、エリナ様のお姿が見えないので。私たちも今乗るところよ。それはおかしいです。最悪最終試験場だ。それまで生き残ってればだけどな。
Ooh.
次の三次試験はお前らを含む反逆相馬。
Oh, is she go? Oh, that's a great picture. Does that mean Rindo is going to cook? If she's going to cook, I'm all on it. I love this. I would like to see her cook. I don't have anything against them, but I want to see her cook. I don't care. I want to see her cook. I want to see the Elite 10 cook, and I want them to see. I want the rebels crushing them. Ah, I would love that. I don't have too much to say. I just love this. I love that you get to see so much more of Erina now opening up her world. I love it. Now I can see. In the beginning, I hated her because she was like a bitch. Now, when you get to know her, and you see her opening up a lot to the Polar Star gang and everything, it's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. And I love the way that she said it. I had not even tried to see it. To see it outside. I didn't know that this was a beautiful city, like you said. Oh, it's so beautifully done. I love it. I don't have so much more to say, but I just love it. I got to watch the next episode immediately. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to go back. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye everyone. Have a great day. Ciao.